Hey everybody. All right, Stutzman's Garage. We are here today. It is snowing. The winter wonderland. We got the Honda started up. We're gonna do a quick jump on the Miata, roll it out here. We already noticed my friend's Subaru. Now it's a little slushy, it's not too frozen. Not a lot of cars parked on the street, it's open neighborhood. My friend's Subaru, he actually had trouble pulling into the driveway. We have a spot here underneath the Honda with no snow on it, so we'll use that hopefully to get traction back in the garage. But this is going to be...
It's going to be a show.
This is going to be weird. So, but of course, remember, I'm not going to take the Q5 out. I don't want to risk it, but the Miata isn't worth anything. So, now granted, everybody else's stuff is, but you know, we're not going to go out on the public roads necessarily. So we're going to go ahead. I got this car getting warmed up a little bit. Doesn't really matter. We're going to pop the hood, pull it up, and try to jump start it. So I'm going to hand the camera off. We'll get a little going. Some black action.
Red to black and black to red.
I got your card, buddy.
Can I get it? Yeah.
There you go.
It's got power now.
Oh yeah. All right.
Almost.
Did we get the Honda to gas?
They'll give it a few more amps.
Let's give it a second.
Oh. Now it's time for some fun.
Thank you, sir. All right, so the garage is still pretty packed. Got it back in the garage. I had to go warm my hands back up. I did hit a curb a little bit, but that's fine. I've done that to that wheel before. Scraped off some of the ice. You know, this is really why you want fenders. Just gonna throw it all back up there, but we'll get it cleaned off later on. But that was a blast compared to what we have done. And it does drift pretty well on concrete already, but to do it on ice like that, there's a lot of vibration. I think if I look, the reason the vibration was happening is if you look down here, it was snow all back up under here. So that could have been some of the vibration we were hearing. Added a little bit of downforce in the back for sure. But that was definitely a blast. I don't think I think we're not going to get any more fun with the Miata after that. So definitely going to make other Miata kart owners a little jealous because I don't think very many of them get the chance to go and play in the snow, especially those Californians out there. But we're not even that far north. We're in Arkansas, and that's a lot of snow. It's 3 to 6 inches today in Arkansas. And normally I went 5 years without hardly getting more than an inch at a time that even stuck. So that's we're gonna call that a wrap for today. We may go hoon around in the Subaru a little bit, but I think we kind of scared the shit out of Harrison. He couldn't take the cold. He's complaining about his hair being wet. He needs a hat. True princess. Yes. As you can see, I made it all the way to 4th gear on one of those pulls. I think I made some of the neighbors were like, "What the f going on out there?" Anyway, so that was a blast. But you know, everything went well. I think if anything, we cleaned the bottom of the Miata up a little bit, scraped off some of the rust, added some. Well, it's called lightness. We don't need the structure anymore.
You
Anyway.
got rid of some oil on it too?
Yeah, got rid of all the oil out from underneath
This is
it.
actually the first time it's probably been clean.
Yeah, actually, this has probably helped a lot. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed. I noticed a little vibration in the rear. I think it was because of this diffuser getting snow on it, but I also think it was because the diff was slipping on one side pretty consistently. So once you got into 2nd gear, it didn't really slip so much. But welding the diff would probably be beneficial.
Snow built up in the tire.
Yeah, and there's snow everywhere in there. So who knows what all the vibration was.
There'll be new ones now.
There might have been some engine mounts that got the best wear of their life. I got to stop stepping on this metal.
Did you tell them about your final when you met the curb?
Yeah, I told him about the curb. So through that last corner, I bumped the curb a little bit.
Yeah, it's right there. You can see it. It's right there.
Oh, yeah, I really got in there. Let's see. I didn't jump the curb, did I? I just got the dirt.
We just smacked it and stopped.
All right, yeah, so that makes sense. Overall, every car here is all-wheel drive, except for the Miata. So that was the only one we could really take out. And again, you know, the Honda, you know, while it is all-wheel drive, I wouldn't dare try to do it with the power.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to control it, so
It'd be a little tight.
it would just go right off the road. So much power.
Well, again, thanks for watching today's Stutzman's Garage video.
Yeah, send it.
Send it.